Hey everyone, welcome back to The Simple Dad. Today I'm going to show you 7 amazing hidden features on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra that can be used on many other Galaxy devices. So these features will help you customize your experience, improve your productivity, and give you way more control over the device than you ever thought possible. So stick around till the end because I'll explain each feature in details and how you can benefit from it in your daily life. So let's get started. So feature number 1 is where you can control individual app volume. With Samsung's Sound Assistant module, you can control the volume of each app separately. So instead of having one universal media volume for everything, you can get sliders for apps like YouTube, Spotify, Instagram, and so on. So here is an example. You can go ahead and play YouTube music quite loudly. However, you can go ahead and keep notifications from Instagram or TikTok quiet. So let me show you how to do this. So here we'll go ahead and first open up the Good Lock app. In the Good Lock app, scroll down, find Sound Assistant. From here, you want to go ahead and find individual app volumes. Tap on this. And here, you can go ahead and add the apps to change the volume of the apps individually. So you can go ahead and control the volumes here. As you can see, I've already added YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook. Let's go ahead and add YouTube music. I'll add that. Now I can go ahead and control the volume. So I'll leave YouTube music as 100%. However, I'll go ahead and leave for TikTok a bit lower down. So I can go ahead and browse TikTok and also listen to my YouTube music. So to control the individual app volumes, you want to go ahead and open up TikTok. Here you can go ahead and open up the volume. You'll see your volume for TikTok specifically. You can go ahead and control this. And then if you have YouTube music open as well, here, as you can see, you can control the music here as well. So this is perfect if you want your music to play loudly on YouTube music while keeping notifications from TikTok quiet. Or if you're gaming and you want in-game sound effects at a lower end while keeping your voice chat loud and clear. So this basically gives you total control over your sound environment. Feature number 2 is your one-handed operation. Samsung's One Hand Operation Plus tool helps you use your big screen phone more comfortably with one hand. So you can enable a customizable interface where all the essential buttons, gestures, and shortcuts are within your thumb reach. So with the Good Lock app, there's a module called One Hand Operation Plus, where it enables some invisible gesture bars, which appears just on the side of your screen. So let me show you how you can turn this feature on. So here we'll go ahead and open up the Good Lock app. Now in the Good Lock app, you want to go ahead and scroll down, find One Hand Operation Plus. Go ahead and turn this feature on. So now as you can see, once I've turned this on, you'll see some bars appear just on the side of the screen. Now there are a total of 6 bars you can enable. So one on the left, one on the right, middle. Now you can go ahead and turn on these top ones as well. And you can go ahead and turn on these bottom ones as well. So this basically increases your buttons, gestures, and shortcuts, which you can basically reach within your hands. So in an example, let's go ahead and customize the left handle and the right handle. So here you can go ahead and choose left handle. So now if you swipe right, currently I've set it to AI select. If you swipe diagonal up, I've set it to widgets pop up. And if you swipe diagonal down, I've set it to back key. You can go ahead and swap this around. So these are all the functions which are available. So you can go ahead and choose the home key, recent menu, search in app, volume up, and there are many other actions which you can apply. You can even apply actions to open a particular app, start application. You can have keyboard shortcuts and many more. So let's just say start app. We'll go ahead and start Amazon shopping. So here I'll go ahead and test it out. And there you go, guys. So this is a lifesaver if you're using your Galaxy S25 Ultra with one hand while holding coffee, carrying bags, or commuting. It reduces hand strain and makes your device feel much more usable without needing to constantly stretch your finger across a huge display. Feature number 3 is where you can use AI to create summary on websites. So Samsung's AI integration allows you to highlight a website and generate a quick summary instantly. So instead of reading a long article, you can get to the main points summarized using AI directly on your device. So here in the example, we'll go ahead and open up Samsung Internet Browser and we'll go ahead and search for LASIK eye surgery. So I'm quite interested in this surgery and I want to know more about it. So I can go ahead and scroll down, find a website which is basically giving me all the information for it. So let's just say, for example, the NHS. Tap on this. Now here, this is giving me a long article where I need to basically read. However, I'm really lazy and I don't want to read all these long articles. I want to go ahead and ask AI to summarize this for me. So I'll go ahead and use this Samsung AI. So here I'll go ahead and use the Galaxy AI button, which is right here. This will only appear on Samsung Internet Browser. So I'll go ahead and tap on this. Now here I can go ahead and choose these three different options. First one is your summarize, second is translate, third is to read highlights aloud. So since I want to go ahead and get a summary of this website, I'll go ahead and tap on summarize. This will now basically read through the website and will give me a summary of the website itself. So I can go ahead and read all of these main points and figure out what laser eye and lens surgery is all about. So this is perfect for students, professionals, or anyone short on time. So whether you're researching, studying, or just catching up on news, AI summaries saves you time and mental energy by pulling out the key insights without missing out any important information. Feature number 4 is where you can configure your sound equalizer for your Bluetooth device. So with the Sound Assistant, you can fine-tune the equalizer settings for each Bluetooth audio device individually. This means your wireless earbuds, headphones, and speakers can all have their own custom sound profile. So as you can see, this is my equalizer for my headphones, and I can go ahead and customize this however I like. So let me show you how to get this equalizer on your Samsung Galaxy device. So in order to get this, you want to first make sure your Bluetooth device has been connected to your phone. So I've connected my earbuds to my phone. Next, you want to go ahead and open up the Good Lock app. In the Good Lock app, you want to go ahead and scroll down, find Sound Assistant. Now here, you want to go ahead and customize the volume panel. Tap on this. Here, you want to go ahead and switch this feature on, then press on Custom. Here, you want to go ahead and tap on Expanded Panel. And here, you want to go ahead and make sure it shows Show Toolbar Functions. So this is an extra bar, which just appears right here at the bottom. So make sure that's switched on. Now you want to go and press Home. Now you want to go ahead and press the volume button, expand it. You'll see this expanded toolbar. To see your equalizer, tap on this. And now you can go ahead and control your equalizer for your Bluetooth. So you can go ahead and configure the bass, treble, instrumental, vocal. You can go ahead and use the UHQ upscaler. You can even turn on Dolby Atmos from here. At the top left, you can go ahead and choose all the different presets. So balance, bass, boost, smooth, dynamic, clear, treble boost, and custom. You can go ahead and even change the UI. So this ensures your earbuds sound rich and balanced, while your Bluetooth speakers can be tuned for a deeper bass. So audiophiles will love this because it unlocks the full potential of your hardware, giving you the best sound for every device. Feature number 5 is where you can maintain the media volume while using navigation. So normally when you're using your navigation apps like Google Maps or Waze, your music or video sounds automatically lowers every time a direction is announced. So you have your music playing, and when Google Maps announces the direction, your music basically lowers down. So with the Sound Assistant, you can override that so that your media keeps playing at the same volume while your navigation prompts play in the background. So let me show you how to do this. So first, go ahead and open up the Good Lock app. In the Good Lock app, scroll down, find Sound Assistant. From here, you want to go ahead and scroll down and find this option here, Maintain Media Volume while using navigation. So go ahead and turn this feature on. However, it may not work on all cars. It all depends on the vehicle's manufacturer's settings. So do keep note of that. Now, once you have turned that on, you can go ahead and play media while you're navigating in your car. And this will basically not reduce the volume of your music playing in the background. So this makes driving much more enjoyable. You'll no longer have your favorite song interrupted or your podcast constantly ducked in the volume. Instead, you can enjoy seamless entertainment while still hearing important navigation directions clearly. Feature number 6 is where you can allow apps to play sound at the same time as other apps. So Samsung allows you to enable multiple apps to play sound simultaneously. So for example, you could have YouTube music playing in the background while also watching a muted TikTok video with sound. Or you could keep a game's background music on while listening to Spotify. So let me show you how to turn this feature on. So here you can go ahead and open up the Good Lock app. In the Good Lock app, you're going to go ahead and scroll down, find Sound Assistant. Now here you want to go ahead and find the option where it allows apps to play sound at the same time. So go ahead and scroll down and find multi-sound. This basically allows you to play audio at the same time as other apps. Switch this on and then go ahead and select what apps you want to allow to play at the same time. You can go ahead and turn on all the apps, or if you want to go ahead and be selective, you can go ahead and choose your particular app, so YouTube Music. So this way you can only choose one apps. However, if you go ahead and choose all the apps, this will apply to all the apps. So this is great for multitasking. You can customize your entertainment experience exactly the way you want. So whether it's mixing music with gameplay or streaming content while listening to podcast, it removes all the restriction and gives you complete flexibility. And lastly, feature number 7 is where you can create custom vibration ringtone or notification. So with the Sound Assistant, you can design custom vibration pattern for your ringtone and notification. So instead of the default vibration, you can assign a unique pattern to different apps, contacts, or alerts. So let me show you how to create this unique vibration ringtone or notification on your Samsung Galaxy device. So first, go ahead and open up the Good Lock app. Now in the Good Lock app, scroll down, find Sound Assistant. Now here you want to go ahead and find the option where it allows you to customize your vibration pattern. So here you can customize your vibration pattern. So you can make your vibration pattern and set it as a ringtone. Tap on it. And now you want to go ahead and choose if you want to go ahead and create a ringtone or a vibration. So let's say a notification. I want to go ahead and create a notification. I'll go ahead and tap on this. Now I can go ahead and create my own vibration. So I can have a low frequency and a high frequency, and this is middle. So we'll go ahead and start it. I'll go ahead and play it. Now I like this, so I'll go ahead and save it. So press 3 dots and press save. I can go ahead and give it a name. So let's just say this is a vibration for WhatsApp. Now I can go ahead and choose that. Now I can go and press home. I can go ahead and press settings, go into sounds and vibration, go into vibration notification. So here I want to go ahead and choose WhatsApp. So this helps you identify who's calling or which app is notifying you even without looking at your phone. So for example, a long vibration for emails, a double buzz for messages, and a custom rhythm for your partner's call. So it adds a personal touch and makes your notification much more smarter and more intuitive. And there you have it, 7 super useful features you can use on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and other Galaxy devices to level up your experience. Which of these features was your favorite? Do you already use any of them? Or did you discover something new today? Drop your thoughts in the comment section down below. I would love to hear from you all. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest Samsung tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.